Hi everyone, Joe Ambridge here, hashtag now alone lived experience host.
And I'm specialist host, psychotherapist and relationship counsellor Mark Fielding.
On Thursday, the 9th of September is Are You OK Day.
Are You OK is an Australian non-profit suicide prevention organisation founded by advertiser Gavin Larkin in 2009.
Are You OK Day revolves around the slogan, Are You OK? And advocates for people to open up and have a conversation with their mates.
And as we are huge advocates for promoting mental health support,
we want to use this platform to encourage you to ask your friends, Are you OK?
Asking your mates something as simple as, Are you OK? Can make a huge difference.
And might encourage your friends or family member to open up about their mental health and possibly get the help they need.
And let's encourage people to open up about their mental health.
And saying something, Mark, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Joe. Are you okay?
I am. So it's just as simple as that.